Container update. It's been raining like crazy again the last 2, 3, 4 days. Couldn't do much. This has been a complete sump area. Still a lot of water, so hard to take things in and out, and couldn't go cut the green one because monsoon rain. But some stuff has come home, if you can call this home. So now I'm gonna begin to fill up this area. Gotta complete the wannabe MTech 1 set. Doesn't have the ears, but got some MTech 2 spoilers. Three of those. They look like shit. Been painted 300 times, but especially the gray one in here, that's crazy, and the sun just destroys everything out here. So, but a couple of MTech 2 spoilers, and inside here I got a real tight wall mural with 2 dragons made in stones. Beautiful colors. Yeah, couldn't really show before they packed it down. I chose this, and they were like, before I could say anything, it was already packed very, very good. So that's gonna be as it is. 2 Thai demon figures you put outside your house or something, and they will scare away demons. Also, crazy beautiful, and they are the real stuff. You can buy fake shit on Temu, or you can there is all kind of fake shit. They this one is the real deal, and they are heavy magma. So just need to pack. Oh, see the rest. Couldn't even get into this container, so much water was here. So but yeah, it's not original MTech 1, but still have the sticker. So, but it looks like shit. But I don't think it's been mounted on that many cars. It actually looks pretty decent. So, back, front, side in the other container, and then I got this one on top of the deal, and it's like an Alpina look-alike, but in glass fiber. So yeah, it is what it is. Need to bring a little bit of everything. So today just need to get packing a little bit. At least there's no killer ants right now. They're probably busy keeping water outside. So just a small container update. This is it's still hot as crazy, but at least no sun, so decent temperature today. But just a small container update. Not been happening so much. Have a nice day.